Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Bingx and registering an account. Do this now so you can access live markets. Once installed, complete KYC with your ID and selfie because verification unlocks deposits and higher limits. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and biometric login to protect funds. A strong password prevents brute force access. After this, link email and set recovery phrases. Store them offline. These steps speed future actions and keep your account secure as you proceed to fund and trade. Once done with account setup, fund your wallet to start trading. Choose between depositing crypto or using fiat rails because each has different fees and processing times. Then select the appropriate trading wallet. Spot for simple buys, margin, or futures only if you understand leverage and liquidation risks. Make sure to review order types. Market for quick fills, limit to control price, stop limit to manage losses. As you place orders, set size and acceptable slippage. This reduces unexpected fills and preserves capital. Now you execute trades confidently. Enter amount, pick order type, and confirm fees. Double-check the price before submitting. After a trade fills, move funds to a secure wallet or set up withdrawals. Always whitelist destination addresses and verify network fees to avoid mistakes. If something goes wrong, first check your balance, KYC status, and whether the app needs an update, because many issues resolve quickly that way. If persistent, contact support with the transaction ID and screenshots so they can trace and fix the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.